Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to kick off BJP's Delhi poll campaign at the city's Ramleela Maidan, the very spot from where the Congress launched a blistering attack on the BJP and the Prime Minister last week, a media report said. The rally comes to the heels of widespread protests over the amended citizenship law that grants protection to non-Muslims who escaped to India, fearing religious persecution in Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. A trailer truck collided with a passenger bus in eastern Guatemala yesterday, killing at least 21 people and leaving a dozen wounded, according to the National Disaster Agency. It has been reported that 9 of the dead were minors. Lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony of first batch of CISA Academy of Nursing, Langol, was held today at the auditorium of CISA Hospital, Imphal. 30 nurses took part in the ceremony in the presence of family and faculty members. CISA Academy of Nursing is a unit of CISA Foundation. Youth Development Association Waiton Maninglekai today organized a free medical camp at Waiton Maninglekai Community Hall. Yelhomi Thaupai today organized a one-day consultation meeting on present political situation of Manipur. What shall be done? The meeting was held at the conference hall of Youth Hostel Khuman Lampak, Imphal. Yaripog Laimanai Gencom Private Limited Company was conferred the India 5000 Best Micro and Small Medium Enterprises Award. The award distribution function was held yesterday at the ISKCON Auditorium, New Delhi. The Indian Journalists Union has condemned in the strongest of terms the rising police attacks and detention of journalists covering the ongoing protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act across the nation. Over a score of journalists in Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Kashmir, among others, have been deliberated, targeted and stopped from reporting the incidents, the IGU stated in a release. North Korea today stated that Kim Jong-un has convened a key ruling party meeting to decide on steps to bolster the country's military capability. According to media reports, the meeting came amid speculation that North Korea could abandon diplomacy with the US and launch either a long-range missile or a satellite-carrying rocket if Washington doesn't accept its demand for new incentives to salvage, flattering nuclear negotiation by year's end.